how to restore or bypass your Android phone. After hard reset, if you had reset your Android phone, to bypass it, if you know the email, your email, you have signed before in your Android phone, you have to restore the wallpaper, the apps already installed before. You have to connect with the network. You click next, then choose the network you need to connect with. You can share the network to your phone by using another phone by opening the hotspot to checking the connection. When it is connected, we use your email already signed in your phone before hard reset, and you can restore your apps, your wallpaper and others. You have to sign in your Google account, your email signed in your Android phone before. My email I signed before in my Android phone is this. Put the password, click next. After, you can add it to your device. After adding your email again to your device, you have to restore. You can continue to allow, scroll up, then click next. Click next. You have to restore what you have before in Android phone. After what you have before you had reset your phone, you can set up another email on. Let me choose not now because I don't need to add another. You can skip there to put your, then I can choose don't restore, or I can restore by tapping to my phone to restore all 18 apps I have downloaded before. I have downloaded it, not come with phone. This is how restoring be. This image, this wallpaper before, or when you restart your phone, the wallpaper you have before doesn't come again, but if you restore it come. And this is also call. Now it come again. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to Show TV with Unity Vision Technology by MC Tech. Thank you.